Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Philippines to the world. Hindi tayo naka-round sweater. Anyway, today is July 12, Friday. Time check, 7:42 sa ating orasan sa kotse. So yeah, I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. Personal stories of millennial government developing here in the province of Nueva Ecija. Madali yung ngipin. Ano ba? Anyway, yeah. So, pasok tayo, no? So, yesterday, I thought we will have doon meron naman, junior police applicant, kaso isa. So, we will continue it today. Hopefully, we could finish it. We can finish it until umaga. Kasi, we will also have a end user training para sa system, no? It's simultaneous activity for us, the ICT division. And yeah, doon kami sa office, sa newly dedicated ICT division office. So late ako ngayon ng 15 ng an hour. Usually pasok ako mga 7, nandun ako. So ngayon ako na late. So yeah, kahapon may mga konting activities kami. Next week meron kaming training, end user training. For the whole week. I think pwede din siguro maisabay yung HRIS. Encode profile, employee profile encoding. Kaya na iniisip ko kung kakayanin eh. I think kaya naman siya. We just have to, have a clear output and plan. So may mga truck na ulit dito sa ating express highway after the opening ng tulay. So get ready for the the damaging of our roads. Ang pag-usapan natin, yun naman event namin. No major event. So kahapon napatambay lang naman tayo sa Ilo. Shout out sa ating mga ka-opisina kasama sa opisina, sa ating mga viewers. Viewers. So yeah, it's almost a week after my presentation at the LSU. But again, yeah, I'm still waiting for the posting, waiting for the certificate of appearance. Yeah. share natin yan. We have major activities to be posted sa ating LinkedIn, same time sa ating Facebook profile. Hopefully karoon tayo ng break sa engagements, sa mga speaking engagements. And siguro tayo ng partnership with other national agencies. I'm looking at at TESDA. I think TESDA is a good partner sa ating mga training. Singit ka. Madali yata si si Manong Yun, naka-park yung parking yan. So Friday, nakatamad na kasing pumasok pag Friday, So pinapanood tayong Korean movie, Korean drama. The Whirlwind. It's a political story about authority, power, politics. So yeah, andito na tayo. So again, thank you very much for always watching my videos. Kung meron mang nakikinig sa ating mga videos, and thank you very much for the support. And sa mga nag-subscribe, wala na ang balita kung may nag-subscribe ka pa, but last time I checked it was 29 subscribers. So I think ang Wesleyan patapos na ang kanilang summer, so tuturo na naman tayo sa Wesleyan. I'm very much excited. So thank you very much for watching. I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. See you again tomorrow.